Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today in this lecture we will discuss about V group and double V group. So we will divide this lecture into two main examples related to welding symbols. And first we will discuss the single V group preparation, and in the second example we will try to further elucidate it for double V group. So in this slide you can see I have just quoted an example of single V groove, and you can see in this figure the detail just below the solid line or the reference line is showing that the welding is to be done uh, toward the arrow side. So as I have discussed in the previous lecture, that the detail just below the welding reference line shows that the welding that is to be done on the arrow side. You have to keep this concept in your mind. So let's go toward this actual example. So on the left side, mostly the weld size detail is given. So you can see that the factor just outside the bracket is showing the weld depth of bevel, and the factor just inside the bracket is showing the size of the weld. You have to keep this concept too in mind. Moreover, inside the V groove, which is shown, which is of 60 degree, and the root face or the root gap is just 2 milli, is also shown. So you can see that um, for this example, 3 by 8 is showing the depth of the bevel, which is 60 degree, while the weld size is 1 over 2 inch. So this example shows welding symbols for single V group, and in industry mostly V groups are used because its preparation is easy, and it is more economical from fabrication and manufacturing point of view. Next we will go to another example, which is double V groove. So in double V groove you can see on both side of the reference line weld details are given. So as I have told you that the detail just below or the bottom side shows that the welding that is to be done towards the arrow side. This is very important concept. I am repeating it again and again. So you can see on the top of the reference line the details is for the welding that is to be done on the arrow side, on the other side of the arrow. um, in this figure you can see on the left side further this details has been drawn, which is showing that the depth of bevel is 5 by 8 milli, uh, while the beveling is 60 degree. Similarly, for the arrow side, its detail, as I discussed, is shown on the bottom of the solid line, is showing that the bevel angle is 45 degree, while the depth of the bevel is 3 by 8 inch, and the size of the weld is also 3 by 8 inch. So I think you have got some knowledge about welding symbols related to V groups, and in coming lectures we will further try to explain some other very important welding symbols. So thank you, and Allah Hafiz for today.